Hello everyone and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making veggie paneer baguettes for 4. So let's have a look at the ingredients. We will need 4 baguettes, 2 tablespoons sweet chili sauce, 200 grams grated paneer, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 medium-sized bell pepper of your choice, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 big carrot, and 2 stems of spring onion. Garlic butter, 1 teaspoon grounded pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon garam masala, green chutney. There is a link in the description box which is the recipe of green chutney. So let's get started. Now we're going to mix all these ingredients to make our filling. We have paneer, carrot, onion, pepper, spring onion, garam masala, grounded pepper, salt, mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce, and then mix. Now that everything is ready, we're going to start putting everything together in our veggie paneer baguette. First, we're going to apply our garlic butter. Then apply our green chutney. Along with our veggie mixture. Now that we've filled our baguettes with our veggie paneer filling and applied some butter to the top of our baguettes, we're going to put this in the griller for 8 to 10 minutes. And if you don't have a griller, then you can use a normal pan and cook it equally on both sides. I hope you like our video, and if you did, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.